Hello everyone, today we're reviewing OBD Fusion, one of the most popular car diagnostic apps for reading check engine lights and monitoring vehicle data. At $10, is it worth it compared to free alternatives, and does it actually work? Let's break down real user experiences. Yes, OBD Fusion is 100% legitimate. Developed by OC Tech LLC, the same company behind TouchScan and OBD Wiz, it's a professional-grade car diagnostic app available on iOS and Android. With over 100,000 installs and a 4-star average rating, it's one of the most trusted OBD2 apps available. The app works with any ELM327 compatible Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or USB adapter to read your car's diagnostic data. It supports all OBD2 compliant vehicles from 1996 and newer in the US, plus EOBD vehicles in Europe. So what makes it worth $10? Unlike free apps, OBD Fusion offers professional features, fully customizable dashboards with up to 15 plus gauges, real-time graphics for vehicle sensors, enhanced diagnostics for Ford, Toyota, Mazda, Nissan, Chrysler, and other brands with optional add-ons, data logging with CSV export for spreadsheet analysis, emission readiness testing, freeze frame data, and CarPlay Android Auto support. One user who tested multiple OBD apps stated, "I've tried so many other OBD2 apps, even paid for the pro version of a few others. But in comparison to OBD Fusion, none have come close to providing the level of diagnostic capabilities as Fusion has already paid for itself tenfold in the 2 months I've used it." Professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts consistently praise OBD Fusion's reliability. One reviewer tested it on a 2009 Focus, 2010 Honda, and a 2015 Mustang, reporting it worked flawlessly on all three vehicles. Users appreciate the seamless Bluetooth LE connection with recommended adapters like VPEAK BLE+, noting you don't even need to pair. The app connects directly. The customization is impressive. You can adjust gauges, gauge colors, sizes, styles, and create custom PIDs for parameters not normally accessible. One user loves that they created a transmission fluid temperature gauge simply by following menus, no complicated formulas required. For $9.99 per vehicle manufacturer, you can unlock enhanced diagnostics that access modules beyond basic engine computer, ABS, airbag, transmission, body control, and more. One user called this an excellent long-term investment that pulls trouble codes from all four main systems as advertised. This is optimal but highly recommended if you own supported vehicles. But what are the limitations? OBD Fusion doesn't include enhanced diagnostics for GM vehicles like competitors Blue Drive or CarScreener Pro do. Some users report that while switching adapters between vehicles, previous vehicle data gets erased, requiring re-entry. Connection issues can occur with cheap clone ELM327 adapters. Stick with recommended quality adapters for best results. The final verdict: OBD Fusion is absolutely legit and worth it. For $10, you're getting professional diagnostic capabilities that can save hundreds on mechanic visits just by identifying problems yourself. Pair it with a quality Bluetooth adapter like VPEAK BLE Plus or OBD Link MX Plus, and you have a powerful diagnostic system in your pocket. It's recommended for anyone who wants serious car diagnostics beyond basic code readers. Just avoid cheap clone adapters for best results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.